In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Autoscan feature for USB devices or DVDs using Bitdefender. If you're looking to manage your scanning preferences and need a simple guide to do so, you're in the right place. Whether you're concerned about speed, performance, or just want a bit more control over what gets scanned, these steps will help you tailor Bitdefender's protection to suit your needs. Let's get started by opening the Bitdefender app. This is your primary dashboard where all your security preferences live. Once the app is opened, you'll want to navigate over to the Protection section. You can typically find this on the left-hand side of the interface. Clicking on Protection will prepare us for the next step, so go ahead and do that. In the Protection tab, you have a suite of tools at your disposal. But for our purposes, we'll be focusing on antivirus. Click on this to get one step closer to customizing your scanning options. The antivirus module is equipped with numerous settings that safeguard your computer, and adjusting these settings will allow us to disable Autoscan. Once inside the antivirus section, find and click on Settings. It might be labeled slightly differently depending on your Bitdefender version, but typically it's quite easy to spot. The Settings page is where you can tweak various options to ensure your antivirus works exactly how you want it to. Moving forward, you'll see an option labeled Scan CD and DVD. Select this option to proceed. By clicking here, we're zoning in on how to manage your system's behavior whenever a CD or DVD is introduced. This is a great way to prevent unnecessary scans that might not be required every time you use these devices. After you've taken care of CDs and DVDs, the next thing to do is click on Scan Flash Drives. This is equally important because USB flash drives are often used to transfer files, and constant scanning can be disruptive. By managing this setting, you can save time and system resources. And just like that, you're all set. You've now successfully disabled Autoscan for both CDs, DVDs, and USB flash drives. By following these steps, you can ensure that Bitdefender's antivirus doesn't automatically scan these devices when they are connected to your machine, giving you greater control over when and how scans occur. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. Remember, adjusting these settings can help optimize your computer's performance without compromising security. Thanks for watching, and take care.